In part 3, we will look at what you should be doing when you have your carefully timed and spaced study session. If you want to remember more, then you need to forget just rereading and writing notes, and you need to start retreating. In this video, you'll learn how quizzing yourself isn't just for revision, it actually makes your memory stronger. It's called retrieval practice, and it's one of the most powerful learning strategies we have. Retrieval practice means trying to remember something from memory without looking at your notes, textbook, or screen. It's like asking your brain to find the answer on its own. This process literally strengthens the memory pathways in your brain. In 2006, Roediger and Karpicki ran a study. 2 groups studied the same material. One group reread it 4 times. The other read it once, then took 3 practice tests. A week later, the testing group remembered far more. Why? Because they retrieved the knowledge, not just reviewed it. Rereading notes feels familiar. You might even think, I know this, but that's often just recognition. Real learning is recall, and recall takes effort. Using flashcards, doing low-stakes quizzes, or writing what you remember after a lesson, all of these are forms of retrieval. They force your brain to dig deep, and that digging is what builds long-term memory. It might feel uncomfortable when you can't remember something straight away, but don't worry, that's a good thing. Psychologists call it desirable difficulty. The more effort your brain makes to retrieve something, the more likely you are to remember it next time. Robert and Elizabeth Bjork have carried out a lot of research into this area, and they showed that learning is actually more effective when it feels harder. So if you're struggling a bit, that's actually a sign your brain is doing the real work. The desirable part of this phrase is important. You still need the correct amount of prior knowledge, or this difficulty becomes undesirable. Here are some easy ways to use retrieval in your daily study routine. After a lesson, close your book and write down everything you can remember. Use flashcards to test yourself, not just to read. Try to teach the topic to someone else, a friend, a parent, even a dog. Do past paper questions without looking at your notes. Use apps like Anki, Quizlet, or even past paper quizzes to regularly review old content. Obviously, if you want to make it even more effective, we need to combine retrieval with spaced practice. Instead of cramming all at once, review a topic a few days later, and again a week later, and so on. Each time you retrieve the information, the memory gets stronger. It's like training a muscle. Retrieval makes it stronger. Spacing gives it time to recover and grow. Right, here's a mini challenge. Without looking back, try to name 3 ways to practice retrieval. Pause the video if you need to, and give it a go. Got it? That was retrieval practice. You've just made your brain a little bit stronger. So here's the takeaway. Learning isn't about what you put into your brain, it's about what you can pull out of it. Retrieval practice makes memories stronger. It works even when it feels hard, and it works best when you space it out over time. In the next part, we'll look at how to mix up your revision and make it stick even more with interleaving and dual coding.